The day that Bird tried to fly, the grown-ups were out looking for him, all except them, Mom and Granny. That's because that very day I was born. Grandpa stopped speaking the day he killed my brother, John. His name was John until Grandpa said he looked more like a bird with the way he kept jumping off of things. At the edge of the cliff, beside a massive granite boulder, was a circle of 11 stones. They were large stones like loaves of bread, 11 of them sitting in a circle so wide I could do cartwheels inside. He was in my tree, and I felt stupid, like I didn't know what to do.
I'm John.
I ran, my feet spinning toward the cliff. This was the cliff who saw Bird jump, who held my pebbles, gave me my stones, watched those stones fall like a magnet. It pulled me there. I raced to it like Bird flying home.